Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can leave a comment on someone Instagram story. So this is a new update on Instagram where you can add a comment to someone's story and the comment can be seen from the followers of someone that you commented. So for example, I'm going to leave a comment on this stories right here. You can just click on a story and then click on this comment icon at the bottom, the little one. Just click on that. So here you can leave a comment and show friends some love. You can now comment on stories and comments are visible to anyone who views the story. So even if you are not following each other of the viewers of the story, you can still leave a comment and they can see it. So just click on OK. Now you can just leave a comment, type your comment in here and then just click on enter to send it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.